Welcome to our fascinating exploration of honey. Today, we're diving into 40 astonishing facts that will reshape what you know about this delicious substance. And stick around, because the last gem will truly blow your mind. Fact 1. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. Fact 2. Honey is the only food that includes all the substances necessary to sustain life, including vitamins, minerals, and water.
Fact 3. Honey is a natural antiseptic. Its high sugar content and low moisture levels make it able to fight off bacteria.
Fact 4. Honeybees communicate through dances. The waggle dance tells other bees where to find food.
Fact 5. There are over 300 different types of honey in the United States alone, each with unique flavors and colors depending on the flowers visited by the bees.
Fact 6. The process of making honey begins with nectar being collected from flowers by worker bees, which is then transformed into honey through enzymatic activity. Fact 7. Honey can be used as a natural cough suppressant. Its thick consistency aids in soothing the throat.
Fact 8. The world's largest honey producer is China, followed by the United States, Turkey, and Argentina. Fact 9. Honey contains a natural sweetness that is about 1.5 times sweeter than sugar, allowing you to use less of it. Fact 10. Honey can enhance athletic performance by providing a natural source of energy for athletes.
Fact 11. It takes approximately 600 bees to collect enough nectar to produce just 1 pound of honey.
Fact 12. The color of honey can vary greatly, from pale yellow to dark amber, depending on the flowers the bees visited.
Fact 13. Honey can be beneficial for skincare. It's often found in cosmetics due to its moisturizing and healing properties.
Fact 14. Ancient Greeks and Romans considered honey a source of immortality and often offered it to their gods.
Fact 15. Manuka honey, made from the flowers of the manuka tree in New Zealand, is famous for its unique antibacterial properties. Fact 16. The art of beekeeping is called apiculture, and apiarists manage the behavior and health of bee colonies.
Fact 17. Honey can help alleviate seasonal allergies by exposing users to local pollen.
Fact 18. Honey can retain its flavor and nutritional value for decades, making it a favorite for emergency food supplies. Fact 19. The buzzing sound of bees comes from their rapidly flapping wings, which can beat up to 200 times a second.
Fact 20. In many cultures, honey is a symbol of wealth and prosperity. Fact 21. Honey's composition varies by climate, flower species, and handling methods, giving each type a unique texture and flavor profile.
Fact 22. It is illegal to sell honey labeled as pure, unless it meets specific standards set by the country.
Fact 23. Honey contributes to environmental health by supporting biodiversity among plants through its pollinator bee populations.
Fact 24. Honey's hygroscopic nature means it attracts and retains moisture, which is why it's so good for baked goods.
Fact 25. Some beekeepers keep their hives in urban areas, where they're often healthier and produce more honey due to the abundance of flowers.
Fact 26. The World Bee Day is celebrated on May 20th to raise awareness about the importance of bees and their products.
Fact 27. Honey can prevent the growth of MRSA, a type of bacteria resistant to many antibiotics.
Fact 28. In ancient Egypt, honey was often used in religious offerings and as a part of their embalming process.
Fact 29. Some honey products can crystallize over time, which is a natural process that does not affect their quality.
Fact 30. Honey was once used as currency in various ancient civilizations due to its value.
Fact 31. Over 50% of honey sold in the U.S. is imported, leading to concerns regarding purity and quality.
Fact 32. Honey can be made from various sources like clover, sap, and even pine, resulting in distinctive tastes.
Fact 33. A bee's lifespan is short, usually only about 6 weeks during the summer. Their hard work allows them to produce honey during that time. Fact 34. The lighter the honey, the more subtle its flavor. Darker honey is often richer and bolder in taste.
Fact 35. In Hindu culture, honey is considered a sacred food, often used in rituals and offerings.
Fact 36. Honey has a lower glycemic index than sugar, making it a better choice for controlling blood sugar levels.
Fact 37. Throughout history, honey has been seen as a gift or offering, lending to its symbolic importance in various cultures.
Fact 38. Honey plays a significant role in many religious texts, symbolizing purity, brightness, and the promise of prosperity. Fact 39. Honey collected from the rainforest is often of higher nutritional value due to the diverse flora and fauna present in such ecosystems. Fact 40. And for our final fact, brace yourself. Scientists have developed a method to reveal which floral sources a honey originates from, enhancing both traceability and quality control. Isn't that incredible?